I am going to create a calendar event from an email. So I'm going to open the email. So on top of the email, there are three dots on the right side. Click on the three dots, scroll down, select Create Event, and Google Calendar opens. So this is the name of the event, and as you can see, it's the subject line of the email. Now these are the dates. There's also time zones, so you can change this. So I'm going to change the date here, and it's on the 11th, which is a Monday of April. So I'll change the time, so it's at 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So the time zone is correct, Eastern time zone, New York. Click OK, and this is the body of the email. So whatever was in the email here, it is also in the calendar. So on this section, guest, here is where you can add others to the event, and they will also get an email about the event. So you can add all your guests here, just type in their email addresses. So here there's also add location, there's also notification, and you can get a notification every 30 minutes. You can change that. There's a drop down there. You can also get a notification by email, and you can select that also. And when you're done, just click save, and the event is created. So I thank you for watching, and I thank you for subscribing.